ServiceNow versus Zendesk. Which is the best help desk software? Well, if you're trying to decide between these two heavyweights, you're in the right place. Both of these platforms are highly praised in the customer service world, but is one really the best? Stick around because I'm going to dive into both of them and give you some honest insights. By the end of this video, you'll know which one is best suited for your needs. But here's the catch, there might just be a better option that neither of these offers, and I'll get into that later. First up, let's talk about ServiceNow. This software is known for its enterprise-level capabilities. It's a robust tool with a deep focus on IT service management, ITSM. If your company needs something that goes beyond just handling customer service and integrates well with IT operations, ServiceNow shines. It's built to handle complex workflows and large-scale operations, so if you're managing a big team or a diverse range of services, ServiceNow could be a strong contender. However, it's not all smooth sailing. ServiceNow is often criticized for its complexity. It's not the easiest platform to navigate for smaller businesses or teams without dedicated IT staff. The setup and customization can be quite challenging, and you may need to invest a lot of time or even hire external experts to get it running properly. On top of that, ServiceNow can be pricey, making it a less ideal choice for smaller companies with budget constraints. Next thing, let's look at Zendesk. Zendesk is popular for being user-friendly and intuitive. It's a go-to choice for smaller businesses or teams that need something simple yet powerful. Zendesk offers features like multi-channel support, automation tools, and easy ticket management, making it an excellent choice for companies focused on customer service without the need for extensive IT operations. Plus, Zendesk is more flexible, with options for customization without being too overwhelming. However, Zendesk also has its flaws. While it's easy to use, the platform can sometimes feel a bit too basic for larger businesses with more complex customer service needs. The reporting tools are another common pain point. Users often mention that they don't offer the depth required for more advanced analysis. Additionally, the integration options with third-party software aren't as strong as some other platforms, which can limit scalability if you're looking to grow quickly. The fourth thing to note here is pricing. Both ServiceNow and Zendesk offer tiered pricing, but the costs can vary widely depending on the features you need. ServiceNow's pricing model, as mentioned, tends to be on the more expensive side, especially for smaller businesses. Zendesk's pricing is more accessible, but can still get pricey once you start adding more advanced features or scale up. Both platforms offer free trials, which is great, but be aware that if you're looking for a truly cost-effective solution, neither is particularly cheap compared to other options on the market. Finally, after trying both ServiceNow and Zendesk myself, I have to say that while these platforms are solid, they're not necessarily the best choice for everyone. So, what if I told you there's a better alternative? One that can streamline your customer service operations and integrate smoothly into your existing workflows? The first link in the description gives you access to a free trial of a help desk software that I believe offers a better experience, more flexibility, and unique benefits exclusive to our viewers. ServiceNow and Zendesk are both strong options depending on your company's size and needs, but if you want an even better solution that focuses on simplicity and scalability, click the link below for the best free trial available today. Don't miss out on this exclusive offer.